To our channel. This is Guntur Medical College Department of Anatomy. In this video we will see the dissection of the front of the forearm. So we are seeing this on the right side. This is the forearm from the elbow to the wrist joint. So now we will see the muscles of the front of the forearm. We have the superficial muscles. We will start from lateral to medial. So this is the PRONATOR TERES. PRONATOR TERES muscle takes origin from humerus and from the ulna, and the median now passes in between the two heads of the pronator teres, and this pronator teres forms the medial boundary of the cubital fossa. So this is the lateralmost muscle. Now it is inserted to the middle of the shaft of the radius, and this action is the pronation of the forearm. So the next muscle you are seeing, this is the flexor CARPI radialis. So CARPI radialis is not on the radial side, it's almost just lateral to the middle of the forearm. So this flexor CARPI radialis also has the origin from the humerus, medial epicondyle of the humerus, and this is the flexor CARPI radialis which enters the flexor retinaculum. So that is the next muscle. The next superficial muscle is this palmaris longus, very slender muscle, which will now become the palmar aponeurosis in the palm of the hand. So if you trace this palmaris longus becomes very tender and forms the palmar aponeurosis of the palm of the hand. The next muscle is this palmaris longus. Next muscle you are seeing a broad muscle. This is the flexor digitorum superficialis, which goes to the 4 digits, medial 4 digits, and one tendon for this ring finger that is separate. So this is the flexor digitorum superficialis. So which action is this? Flexion of the wrist and flexion of the phalanges. And the medialmost muscle is this flexor carpi ulnaris, which is very medialmost, which takes origin from the humerus, from the medial epicondyle of the humerus, and it is entering again the palm of the hand deep to the flexor retinaculum. So you have seen 5 muscles, superficial muscle. One is this pronator teres, next is this flexor carpi radialis, another is this palmaris longus, then this is the flexor digitorum superficialis,